Hello again, Jake with B&H. I just got back from a long holiday weekend in Vermont, where I got to take the new DJI Osmo Pocket along with me. Before we jump in, don't forget to subscribe. This is by far the smallest 3-axis stabilized handheld camera DJI has ever designed, but don't let that fool you. The camera packs a big punch. It can take stunning photos thanks to a new 1/2.3-inch sensor with an 80-degree field of view and an f2.0 aperture. It can also shoot 4K 60 FPS video at 100 megabits per second and photos at 12 megapixels. I really wanted to put the gimbal to the test, so I sat on the back of a snowmobile and held on for dear life while my sister hit the throttle. The footage, smooth as butter. So I must admit, I was nervous about the size of the Osmo Pocket. I mean, it's the size of a candy bar. But I think that works to its advantage. I can store it in my shirt pocket or jacket pocket, pull it out, turn it on, and within seconds, I'm shooting smooth, moving shots. And guess what? My arm wasn't tired. I rode on the back of a snowmobile with my arm completely extended, and it wasn't tired. My hand was cold, of course, but my arm was strong, which made for a much more enjoyable shooting experience. I think DJI designed the Osmo Pocket to be just as convenient as your smartphone. Speaking of your smartphone, the LCD on the unit itself is small, but if you use the lightning adapter provided in the box, you can mount your smartphone to the unit and then open up the DJI Mimo app and actually use your smartphone as your LCD, giving you full control over the variety of features the Osmo Pocket has to offer.
Yeah. All right, my turn.
The DJI Mimo app is also super convenient for instantly watching playback of all your media and then easily saving it to your phone or sharing it over social media. You can also use the app to control direction and speed of the pan and tilt of the gimbal itself. If you're in a situation where you can't really use a smartphone app, like riding the back of a snowmobile, then you can detach it and utilize the built-in LCD, which has all the functionality as the app, it's just in a smaller form factor. The battery is built into the unit itself, which you can charge over USB-C cable that is included in the box. The Osmo Pocket will record to a micro SD card slot, which is found on the handle itself. If you enter selfie mode, the camera will automatically launch face track, keeping you in the center of the picture and in focus.
motivates it to move at all?
My movements. So I move my hand and it follows me.
Oh, I got you.
Yeah.
Okay, so it's your hand.
Exactly.
Okay, alright.
So I can walk around and it'll stay on my face. And it'll be really stable footage. Stay quiet. Comedian actor again.
The Osmo Pocket has so much potential for storytelling, and I really only scratched the surface of what this little camera can do. Between the 4K video, the 12 megapixel photos, and time-lapse functionality, this was the perfect tool to capture precious family moments and turn them into something really cinematic for all to see. And it is so easy to use. You really don't have to be a professional videographer to take advantage of all the features. I mean, my sister, who has little to no experience, was able to turn it on, hit record, and start shooting right away, and I think the results speak for themselves.
Nice.
Nice job, Jess. If that wasn't enough, the Mimo app also lets you select story mode, where the app will edit a cinematic story for you with the footage you capture. Now, I obviously had a lot of fun riding around on a snowmobile, but I think I had even more fun shooting with the new DJI Osmo Pocket. I might have to pick one up. This is Jake with B&H. Just keep shooting.